have that couple sitting at the
Look at his swords.
Thank you so much.
He's full sweating already. It's funny, he's sweating the most. He's dressed so close.
He should have wore
Team, we're going back to Hills Tram. Here's the symbol. Most of you remember symbol 112. We're going to call for no further boarding on this tram. If you're not on the tram and you would like to ride a tram, this tram cannot move till everyone is behind the yellow line. Look at your feet. If the yellow line is not completely in front of your feet, you are not behind it. Not on the yellow line, behind the yellow line, please. When you arrive at the Transportation Ticket Center, all persons and bags are subject to a security screening. Please be aware of selfie sticks, firearms, knives, weapons of any kind are not allowed in any Disney theme park. If you have these things, please return to your vehicle and simply catch the next tram. Once again, we need everyone behind the yellow line, please. Thank you. This tram is prone to sudden acceleration, stops and turns. Please hold on to loose children and small items. If you lose anything, do not try to retrieve it. Come back and see me at the next stop. I'll do my best to get it back for you.
Why is he so angry? He has his face on her.
Alright, so back relax, driver, we are clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas. Mantener sus manos mientras el policía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
This tram is heading to the Transportation and Ticket Center, your gateway to the Magic Kingdom. We're doing so a mile and a half to the park. To get to the park, you need to catch our world famous Highway in the Sky monorail or a ferry boat across the Seven Seas Lagoon.
Are these people
Take about the same amount of time. If you've not been here before, so you guys should take one in and the other one out. If you have been here before, you already know which one you like better. Park remains open tonight until 10 p.m. Unless you're staying at one of our deluxe resorts, we have extended evening hours for deluxe resort guests until 12 a.m. It's a passenger running continuously until at least 1 a.m. to get you back to your cars. It's Epcot, right around 1:12. For your entertainment today, we have our Festival of Fantasy Parade at noon and 3 p.m. and our Happily Ever After Fireworks and Protection Show at 9 p.m. featuring the Flight of Tinkerbell. Look off to the driver's right-hand side. You'll see a silver and a red umbrella and some silver railing. That is the Villains Load Zone. Do not go there. Villains are evil. They will pick you up. They will take you on a 20-minute tour of the wrong side of the parking lot, but you won't find your car because you're on the wrong side of the parking lot. Over here where that Hero Tram is sitting, that is the Heroes Load Zone. You'll know it by the one red, two yellow umbrellas. That's the only place to catch a Heroes Tram, and only a Heroes Tram will bring you back to Simba. I wouldn't see the line. You may want to make a temporary stop while we wait for that tram to get out of our way. If we do make a temporary stop, please remain seated until we get to the Heroes Load Zone.
You heard a little bit of it.
Please step on the other side of the yellow line. Please step on the other side of the yellow line. Everyone ready for that to come further off the tram while the tram is in motion. Please remain seated. Notify the next cast member.
We're going to go up here and do a U-turn once we're ready to go. And turn around and drop you off at the Heroes Load Zone. Please remain seated. Hold on to the children until we come to that full stop. And once we do stop, please exit the driver's left-hand side. Please keep moving across the yellow line so the next tram doesn't have to wait like we are. Clear. Again, we're going to come up here and do a U-turn at a fantastic 5 miles per hour. Please hold on to small silver and remain seated until we come to that full stop. When we come to that full stop, you'll exit the driver's left-hand side only towards the ticket windows towards some fun. And please cross over the yellow line before opening any strollers. On behalf of our wonderful driver up front, myself here on the back, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to the Magic Kingdom! Yay! Left-hand side of the driver only, pull up on the handle, push open the door, lower your head, and watch your step.
Everybody, alright, he's the line here, along the line going over here. Move the line here. Line up.